morning everyone. Myself is DOSHI from Universal College of Engineering. Today I'm back with a topic named door locking with keypad Arduino. So this is my door locking circuit diagram. So in this circuit I've used components like keypad which you will be using in typing the password that you have already stored in it. The Arduino, one LCD which will be showing you the password or like showing you the door is open or closed and many more things, and the servo motor. This servo motor will be connected to a stopper. I hope you would be knowing the stopper that we use on our doors, correct? So this will be connected to the stopper which will be used as a trigger or a pulling or a pushing agent to shut the door or to open up the door, right? So this is my source code. Now without wasting time, let's move forward. As you can see, the servo motor was back to its normal state, that is the door is closed, right? Now on this LCD, as you can see, that it's like enter the password. So I'm supposed to print the password which I have used in my code, that is the master password over here. The master password is my 1 2 3 4 and 5 6, correct? So I'll be using 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. It's changing its position and now the door is open. So the positions changing or the rotation of the servo motor says that it will be opening up the stopper so that we can open the door. And as soon as I click on this hashtag button, it will be back to its normal state and the door will be closed. And it will again be back to the normal state, that is enter a password so that you can enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 back on this, and the servo motor will be back to open the door. So that's it from my side. Hope you like it. Thank you.